a little bit about how you went around, you know, or how you went about turning your passion into money.
Well, the biggest thing for me in turning it into money was understanding my costs.
Okay.
Because, and I think it's something, I think it's huge. I think it's what people really need to focus on the most. Because, you know, I teach too, and I'll have students that that they'll think that their cost is just the materials that went into it, and it's like, no, it's your labor. You still need to make profit after you've figured out your costs and all of that. And they're always saying, but I did it, it's fine, and it's not fine, because if you can't do it, you have to pay someone to do it. So that needs to so that needs to be in the price
as well.
Yes, because you need to keep going. Like you need to earn profits so that you can reinvest. You need to grow and change. You understand? So you have to understand the true cost of your product. I think that's the biggest thing in actually monetizing, because monetizing is not just getting back what you put in. Like it's actually, can I live on this eventually, even if not at the start, right?
So dollars and cents is extremely important.
Yes.
And keeping a track of that.